Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video will be about editing React Native vector icons and do installation for it on an iOS simulator. So let's start with building a new application. Let's call it icons. Now that the app had been built, let's go to vector icons page. Link will be in descriptions. This is the page. And now let's go install the package on our app. After installation, I got an error while building the app, the one related to M1. I already fixed this before in another video, so I will put the link in description. Now I will remove app content and I will add vector icon. So you can see how it will look like now and after installing it on iOS. Let's start by opening the app on Xcode. Right click on boot file and reveal in Finder and open the Xcode project. Now that we opened the app on Xcode, we press right click on the app name and we create a new group. We will call it fonts, and in this fonts group we need to add the font from React Native vector icons that we can find in node modules. So we go node modules, search for the React Native icons. We can add one font file or we can add all the files. I will do it with one file and you can do it with as many as you want. Make sure to check these three: copy, create games and target icons. Okay, and we add it. Once we add it, now we go to the plist file. Okay, and we need to add a new row, and in the new row you write font. Make sure that the F is capital, so it will get you the right suggestion, and from that you pick fonts provided by application. It will give you one item under it, and from there you can add the font we choose, awesome, TTF. You can add more items and add other fonts if you want. Make sure that the name is the exact name as the file in the fonts, and the extension is the same, everything is the same. Once you've done it, you can go to the application and you'll see that the font been added. Okay, let's open the application. As you can see, let's go to the iOS file. Now you can see that font awesome have been added, and in the icons also, in the icons plist file, we will find that font awesome also been added. Now let's build and run the application and see what will happen. After running the application, I had an error for a duplicate outputs, so I will show you how to fix this one too. Back in the Xcode, we press in the app name and we go build phase. From there we choose copy bundle resources and we delete the font from there with the delete button. Once it is deleted, we rebuild the app again and it will work fine. Now I am building the app again. As you can see, it's already successful and the icon is now showing right as it should be. If you think this video was helpful, like it and subscribe for support. Thanks for watching.